I still see your shadows in my room. Boom, boom. Can't take back the love that I give you. It's at the point where I love you and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I want to replace you. Hi guys, my name is Spider Virus, and today we're gonna do the second version of dumb video ideas. Video ideas. And well, dang it. Okay. And the dumb video idea is today is making weird noises. I know this might be annoying. I know this will get no views. So I'm just pushing this video out there because I just want videos on my YouTube channel. So, and also thank you guys so much for 26 subscribers. I can't wait until we hit 30. I'm going for 30. I'm going for 30. Okay. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Go. Oh, I also need to show you these. Look, you need to see this. Look, I'm gonna put this basketball in the hoop with one hand. And I'm only looking at the camera. Oh, dang it. Let me try one more time. I'm good at basketball. Pretty good. See this basketball? It's gonna go in the hoop. Yes! I'm gonna put it right here so you can see me shoot.